Hey y'all, it's Michaela, also known as CaelaCae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I accomplished this Flexirod set. I actually am trying this for the very first time and I'm actually really happy with the results. So I hope that this video helps you guys. I hope that you guys are able to do this if you are interested in doing it, and I hope you're able to accomplish the same look using the same products. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into this video. I am starting off with blow dried hair, so my hair is stretched, and I already put it into 4 sections and put it in braids so that it doesn't draw back up before I get to do the rod set. Y'all know I look like buckwheat. Don't pick on me. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start in the back so I can see what I'm doing and then work my way towards the front. I really don't know how I want to do this though. I've never attempted doing a rod set on my own. My mom did it once for me before when I was in high school, but it was a complete fail because my hair hadn't dried all the way. Okay, so I guess I'm just going to do sections about this size. And I'm only going to be using 2 products for this. I'm going to use this, the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. And then I'm going to use the new Wet Lime, well, the new Extreme Professional Gel to set it. And I'm not going to wet my hair at all because I don't want to spend all day trying to dry this. So literally all I had before doing this on my hair was grapeseed oil, and that was just as a heat protectant. And my hair is pretty detangled because I just blow dried it. But I'm going to finger detangle while I have this in my hair. The moisture twisting cream. I just want to make sure I got that all over my hair, especially on this part. And then need some moisture on the ends, the oldest part of your hair. And I'm not really putting much on there, but I'm just making sure that what I do put on there is coating all of the strands. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the gel. And with the gel, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just trying to coat all of the strands, so I'm not going to use a whole bunch of the gel. But I just want to make sure that all of the strands are coated. And you want to make sure you get all the way up from the root of your hair down to the ends. And you really want to make sure you get that gel on the ends of your hair, because you don't want your ends to be looking frizzy and the rest of your hair smooth. Okay, and after I got most of the tangles out by finger detangling, I'm going to go on with the comb anyways, because like I said, I want to make sure my ends are going to be smooth. Okay, and I've actually seen people putting the Flexirods on in a lot of different ways, but I'm going to start from the end of the hair and do the wraparound method I've seen a lot of people doing. So I'm going to just take the end and wrap it around and then twirl the rod around my hair like this. And then just fold this part down. Okay, so that's not working out. Let's try that again. Let's take a little bit more gel and put it on the end, because I see my ends were curling up just now. I may need to get a comb with finer teeth. Go ahead and move on to the next Flexirod. So I might have went a little too heavy on the product right here, so that's probably going to take a little bit longer to dry because of that. So I need to be careful not to do that, which is kind of too late because I'm going to have to wait for that section to dry anyways. But just be careful not to put too much product so y'all won't be waiting for it to dry like I'm about to be doing. Okay, y'all, so I'm halfway through my head. I got all of the back done. Now I have to get the two front sections. Okay, also I just have two more left, the two in the front, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sit in the dryer. I'm not even gonna lie, I know that I used a lot of products, so I'm probably gonna be under the dryer for at least 2 hours. So I'm probably just gonna binge watch whatever show on Netflix for 2 hours. I'll probably have dinner before I get back to y'all with the results. Okay, so I finally got all the Flexirods in. It's been about an hour and a half. Like I said, this is my first time trying these Flexirods on my own, so it was a little hard. There was kind of a learning curve, but hopefully it doesn't take too long to dry. Even though, like, I can see there's a lot of product, it probably will take me at least 2 hours. So I'm just probably gonna watch Netflix, and I'll be back with you guys when it's dry so I can share the results with you. Oh, and I'm probably gonna dry them in like medium high heat. Hey y'all, so I'm finally back. I sat under the dryer for at least 3.5 hours. I've eaten my dinner. I've probably been out of the dryer for at least 30 minutes too. So it's a good about 4 hours later since I last talked to you guys.
Hello.
I'm about to go ahead and remove these Flexirods. I hope that they're finished. I actually stopped about 2.5 hours in, and I checked and they were still kind of wet. So like I said, it's 3.5 hours later of me sitting under the dryer, and hopefully they are dry because I'm not going to try to sleep with these on. I sleep wildly and I have a tender head, so I know that wouldn't work out for me. But I'm just going to go ahead and try to take these out. I'm going to coat my fingertips with this oil while I take them out to try to prevent any frizzing. I guess I'll just start with the ones that are on the top, and I'll work my way down with the ones I can get to. And I'm just going to twirl them in the opposite direction that I put them in. Probably could have did the sections a little bigger. I was scared because I just recently cut my hair. I didn't want to do them too big. Y'all, I'm tired. So far they're pretty dry. None of them seem really wet. I definitely used too much product, like I said, I probably did when I was doing it. Okay, y'all, so I definitely could have did bigger sections, because I have a lot of hair, but my hair is, and so doing my section so small, it's going to take less separating, but I probably could have done bigger sections. And I ended up using about 24 to 25 Flexirods to do this. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair with all the Flexirods out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start separating the curls. And what I'm gonna do is just pull on the curls and let them come apart where they just naturally come apart. And then I'll just separate them on my own. Come apart in different places. So again, I'm just pulling on it and looking to see where the curls just naturally separate, and going ahead and separating it there. My hair is a little bit too twisted at the root. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start separating the other side, and then I want to see how that comes out, and if I need to come back and separate curls on the side I started with again. Okay, and if you do yours like mine, I kind of twisted the root a good bit, so you may have to kind of untwist the root before you start separating the curls. Okay, so my hair is still really flat, so I think I want to keep separating the curls. And of course it'll get bigger as you go on in the week, but I want my curls a little more separated. And again, I'm just pulling the hair and separating it where the hair naturally separates. And if it uncurls, just give it a twist in the direction that the curl goes in. I actually usually like my hair to be over like this. Now I'm just gonna lift up the roots a little bit, but just a little bit. I don't want to destroy my curls that took so long to create, just to add a little more volume. Okay y'all, so this is my Flexirod set. That has taken me probably at least 5 hours to complete, but I'm actually really happy with the results. I did not expect it to come out this well and this defined. I'm really happy with the results. So I'm really glad that I did it and did try to do a Flexirod set rather than just assuming the worst. But yeah, this is my results. I'm hoping that it gets bigger over the next few days, that I get more volume, because my hair is still pretty flat now even with all the separating and lifting, but I'm really happy with the results. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave comments. If you have any comments, please make sure that you leave them down below, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time.